When I say cool, y'all say chemistry. Cool.
Chemistry.
Cool.
Chemistry.
Okay. Now take off your jacket. Come on. Take them off. Take them off. Don't be scared. Alright, we're gonna start off with a little rap. Get your jacket.
I'll just record. His camera.
It's mine.
You're recording first.
I'm gonna need everybody to go. Stomp, stomp, hit, stomp, stomp, hit. Come on. Stomp, stomp, hit, stomp, stomp, hit. Stomp, stomp, hit, stomp, stomp, hit. Now keep doing that beat. Watch me break the leg up. Stomp, stomp, hit, stomp, stomp, hit.
Welcome to the Cool Chemistry Show, where crazy things happen, disappearing rainbows, even elephant toothpaste. You need to brush that teeth. Everybody needs to put their eyes on me. Have you ever seen an expo? What is gonna happen in our this show? There's a whole lot of things that you are gonna see. So sit back and enjoy this show while you at study.
Everything is made up of chemicals, and when some chemicals get together, they react. That's what happens when you see metal rust or you hear your stomach growl. Sometimes the energy is given off because the electrons are recombining with other electrons, making chemical reactions.
Did you know that almost everything is made up of chemicals? The clothes on your back, the chair you're sitting in, even the air that you're breathing are made up of chemicals. Getting further into chemical reactions, here's Lance with what we call the lycopodium powder explosion.
Now that was a chemical reaction. Do you know? Did you know that fire is a chemical reaction?
Yes.
Well, you're correct. Fire is what you get when chemicals and things like paper and wood react with the oxygen in the air that you breathe.
Here's our first presentation here at the Cool Show with Casey, Sky, Michael, and Rodney with hydrogen balloons.
It's go time!
I said, are you the announcer?
I'm Casey. I'm Sky.
I'm Rodney.
I'm Michael. I'm Zach.
How you guys doing today? This experiment is called the exploding hydrogen balloon. It is where you combine zinc metal and hydrochloric acid to make a single reaction. Hydrochloric acid is found in your stomach, and zinc metal is found in the middle of the penis.
So, like, when you combine those two, the zinc replaces the hydrogen and the hydrochloric acid, and then it forms a gas. And we'll put that in the balloon, and it reacts with the fire and explodes.
Me and Casey's gonna tell what combustion is. Do you guys know what combustion is?
No.
Well, combustion means a reaction that involves oxygen and flame that creates an explosion. And it's also a synthesis reaction, which means two substances combined to make a new substance. The two substances combined in the experiment is hydrogen gas inside the balloon, and oxygen outside the balloon is exploded. It's inside of It also has to do with H2O. Everyone know what H2O is?
Yes.
On the count of 3, I want you to scream what H2O is. 1, 2, 3. This whole exploding hydrogen balloon experiment is an exothermic reaction, also meaning heat exiting the balloon. And this balloon is full of energy. Anytime you see a flame or something burning, it's a combustion and an exothermic reaction. Heat releases the substance and combustion substance combined with oxygen. Are you guys ready to see a combustion reaction?
Yes.
Okay, kids, you can take off your goggles now. Next we have coming out is Stephanie and Tyler with the burning dollar.
I'm Tyler.
Hello, everybody.
We're at the right place. We're here to show you what it's like to burn a dollar.
How many knows what money is made out of?
Nope. You're close. It's a mistake that's often made. It's made out of plastilene. Does anyone know what that is?
It means the money is composed of 25% linen and 75% cotton, and red and blue synthetic fibers of various lengths are distributed evenly throughout the paper. For those who aren't sure what linen is, it is a very fine fabric, looks and feels like silk. The Egyptians wear tunics, which are linen. With that said, who's ready to get started? Okay then, as Tyler's preparing our experiment, I'll explain what these chemicals are. But first, goggles on.
It's goggle time.
Okay, start off. Who knows what H2O is? Water! That's right, it is water. As you can see, he's added half water and half alcohol, which makes 50% of each. Tyler, can you tell them what the burning temperature of alcohol and water is?
Sure. The temperature has to be at about 230 degrees Celsius, which means it's very hot. And if you were to put your hand in the water, it would burn.
Okay, now if you look under your seats, there will be an envelope, and whoever has $1 in there is to come up and help us.
I hope not. Hope someone has it.
What's your name?
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that there $1 and put it in our mixture. Now, Dominique, take these tongs and just move the dollar around to make sure it's good and wet. Tyler gets about 2 lights.
Whoa.
Alright, don't worry, the dollar is fine. Now you can see the dollar doesn't burn. Does anyone know why?
Because water is
It doesn't burn because this substance has 50% alcohol and 50% water. So that means the alcohol burns, but it's the water.
Now, who knows what kind of reaction that was?
Oh, that was a combustion reaction. Tyler, explain to me what that is.
Combustion reaction is when something gives off heat. It's the same as a mixed-up burning reaction.
Yeah, as you can tell, the dollar is still wet. Does Tyler explain?
Alright, remember when we said something about the burning temperature? Well, the temperature has a lot to do with this.
And it's still wet because of the water.
That's right, so you see, the water had made it to where the dollar didn't burn, which means only the alcohol burned, and that left the water.
And water doesn't burn. And that was our magic burning dollar experience.
Before we get started with the next presentation, I'm going to have my buddy Lance come out and do something we call alcohol bottle. Lance.
Can everybody not tell our mother where we are, please?
Next we have Bobby, Vinny, Dewan, and Jay presenting liquid nitrogen.
And